So I'm now inside Santo Niño Church. So you can see the altar and the saints that's in here. So and you can see on the top the different paintings, carvings from the Spanish time here in the Philippines. So it's all preserved and restored. The saints that you can see on the altar are still the old Spanish relics, statues that the Spaniards left here in Cebu. So every day there's a lot of devotees coming here, saying their prayers and giving thanks to the Santo Niño for all the blessings that they have received from him. Wala dong, lakas chili dong. Dito straight na. So that one there is the Santo Niño's image, all locked in, but you need to queue up to go near the image. So people still pray it here because I think that's the original image in there. You can see it's a lot smaller. No, I've seen the original before and it's really small. I think that's a replica because the original is only shown during the Sinulog Fiesta time. That's the image of the cross. So that's the different religious statues that you can say your prayers in here. That's Jesus of the Nazarene. Pope. Saint Peter, the first Pope. So you can see here the old paintings. Donated by the different people that supports the Santo Niño. This is ang kaplag, means the discovery. This is a painting, 1521. I can't, oh no, it's a deflection of the Christianity in Cebu in 1551. There's another painting of the Santo Niño and the cross. So these are old Spanish paintings. This is Magellan's arrival to Cebu. And another old Basílica del Santo Niño. These are the items available for sale. But there's an old painting up there that you can hardly see the image, but it's really dark. The camera catches a glimpse. It's the Blessed Virgin Mary, but on the naked eye I can't even see what it is. And this is the arrival landing painting. By Dr. Beatriz Durano Calderon, 1982. And you got here a picture of Bishop RC. (1645). Again, it looks very dark, but the camera caught a glimpse of the eyes of what's the image look like. That's the Santo Niño gift shop. So this is another painting donated by some of the generous donors. The giving of the Santo Niño to the friars. So this is Bishop Santos Marañol, Bishop of Cebu from 1829 to 1840. It doesn't say how old is the painting. It just say this is donated by Dr. Potenciano Larrazabal. So it must be their old family heirloom of the Larrazabal family, the owners of. Unsa na diya, Chip? Convent. Mga madre? Pare. So this is the convent where the priest lives here in Santo Niño. And these are the daghang paintings, the other paintings that you can see around here in Santo Niño. So again, this is donated by the Larrazabal family. The General Miguel López de Legazpi, construction of the sanctuary. The landing of Miguel López de Legazpi, donated by the Larrazabal family. This one is another painting. The finding of the image of Santo Niño, donated by the Gulyas family of Cebu. And another painting here, the finding of the image by Juan de Camuz and soldier, before it was given to Queen Juana. This is donated by Mayor Tadeos Durano of Danao, the Durano family of Danao. And this is another painting of the giving of the Santo Niños to the native people when the Spanish first come here. This is the baptism of King Humabon and Queen Juana to Christianity, donated by Mrs. Lydia Dorano Rodriguez. And this is donated by arrival of Legazpi to the Philippines, donated by the Gulyas family. So there's so on and so forth, other paintings that you can see around here, the different artworks. And also this is the Santo Niño Park. Where people take their selfies. Hindi ako daw. And the gardens. Some like their pictures on the fountain here. So this is like a middle courtyard in the Santo Niño Church where you're allowed to take selfies and pictures for souvenirs. And you see that this is an old Spanish building but been restored. So this is the most popular church here in Cebu City, the Santo Niño Church. Next to it, further in Parian Way, is the Cathedral Church. Guys, so here